when I saw this, before I read the article, straight away I thought of, I actually have a family member who, like an uncle who their daughter went to go work for Amazon, and said that, I mean, this is what I thought of when I saw the headline, was the fact that apparently when you work for Amazon, you could be like, obviously the depots are massive because they're delivering so many parcels. You get given like a code which refers to a location within the warehouse, and one day you could literally be like over there, and the next day you could be like right over the other side, like, and you're on your feet all day, and you're not really allowed to talk to anyone, whatever. So that's what I thought of when it said about a labour problem, referring to obviously their workforce and the way they manage, like, obviously their staff and everything. And after hearing, you know, what my uncle had to say, I was happy to see this article that, you know, they're realising they have a problem, and that hopefully they're making steps towards fixing it, because the sort of working environment that, you know, he described to me didn't sound nice at all.
Yeah, remember we had a friend who, I don't know if he still works there or not.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, Manassa. Shout out to
Manassa.
But yeah, he used to work, and then he used to, you know, say that, you know, if you're late, you get like basically 3 strikes and you're fired. And you have to hit a certain target where you have to either package or deliver certain Amazon parcels, and if you don't, that's basically strike 1. So it's very
super
demanding.
strict. Yeah,
but yeah, it's quite sad. Is Jeff Bezos still the CEO?
Well, I mean, yeah, because that's what it says. Found letter to shareholders. So when I read that, I was like, oh. Like, what does that mean?
Yeah.
And then the main thing that interests me about this article is, I mean, this might be old news to some, but I didn't realise that he'd handed over the job as CEO to Andy Jassy. And which to me just says one thing, is that he's keeping, like, obviously a good share of the company, and he's just chilling. My man's just gonna go chill. I don't blame him. I'd do exactly the same thing. Took him a few years, made sure everything's running smoothly. He's like, yeah, right, I've basically turned what I do into a specific job. They have to do this, and this. Here you go. I'm gonna go chill. See you later.
I mean, during last year, 2020, he was making what, $1 billion. I think it was something like $1 billion a day because of COVID. That's ridiculous. I was like, good on him, but I was just thinking that's just ridiculous. But yeah,
guys, let us know what you would do with $1 billion a day. If you can think of that many things that you could possibly do or buy with $1 billion a day, I would love to know what sort of like crazy suggestions and that you can think of.
I know what I would do.
Go on.
I'll give you half.
Okay.
Build an empire. Buy an island.
Yeah.
Sit down and chill.
Yeah, sounds lovely. I think I would just do crazy things as well, like see how many countries I could visit in one day. Just fly.
If you can give us 100,000 likes, comment down below, and if we can get 10,000 subscribers within the next 3 months,
within 3 months.
Within 3 months, I'm very optimistic here. You and me.
We'll try and do that. We'll try and do how many countries we can visit in 24 hours.
In 24 hours. 24 hours? Or I was going to say in a year.
In a year?
Yeah, we'll take a year gap and we go across all different countries. See how we can do. 24 hours is quite small.
Maybe we'll do a week. How many countries can we visit in a week?
Fine. Let us know, guys. 10,000 subscribers in 3 months. That's a deal. Let's shake on it, Reece.
All right, we'll shake it.